Yo guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how computers make decisions using conditionals. You make decisions every day. Computers, like you, follow decision rules as well. Conditionals allow programs to choose actions based on whether something is true or not. This example checks a condition and runs the code if it's true. If the condition is not true, then the program runs a different block. With elif, you can check multiple conditions. Conditionals rely on comparisons that evaluate to true or false. You can combine conditionals using and or to create more complex logic. This is how systems like logins work, checking if input matches expected values. This program gives different outputs based on the situation. Now I want you to pause and create your own program using if, elif, and else. Try building a simple chatbot, for example, using conditionals. Now your programs can make decisions. Next, we'll learn about loops.